Hello children, today's thought is you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. Children, to know your greatness and achieve excellence, you must first do something. With great efforts and hard work, you will achieve great height in life. Today we will start lesson number 9, Symmetry. This is last lesson of part 1 of mathematics textbook, lesson number 9, Symmetry. In that, first we will see what are symmetrical figures. Symmetrical figures. Now, if the two parts of a figure made by a line fall exactly on one another, then the figure is said to be the symmetrical about that line. What does it mean? If two parts of the figure fall exactly on one another. Consider, for example, this is a square. Okay. If we make two parts of this square by drawing this line from the center. Okay, what does it mean? If we draw this line, then we get two separate parts, this one and this one. If these two parts are exactly same, what does it mean? We will keep this part as it is and we will take out this part and put this part into the first one. And observe, if these two parts are exactly same, then this figure is said to be symmetrical about that line. Okay. And this line is called as line of symmetry. Now this is square. By using this line, we can make two equal parts. We can get symmetrical figure. Now again, if we draw a line like this, then also we get two symmetrical parts, this one and this one. If we draw a line diagonally, then also we get two symmetrical parts. If we draw a line like this, then also we can get two symmetrical part. Okay, so this square is a symmetrical figure. Okay, and now how many lines of symmetry are there? A square has 4 lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and what is meant by line of symmetry? With the help of this line, we can make two exact equal parts of a figure. If we draw a line from this, then this is not a line of symmetry because we cannot get two equal parts. This is only the line of symmetry. So, 1, 2, 3 and 4. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. Then see the next example. This is kite. Okay. Now how many lines of symmetry are there? If we draw a line from the middle, then we can get two equal parts. So a kite has only one line of symmetry. A kite has one line of symmetry. If we draw a line like this, then we cannot get two equal parts, because if we draw a line like this, here we get small triangle and here we get big one. So this will not be a line of symmetry. So kite has only one line of symmetry. Now see this figure. This is a circle. If we draw a line like this, we can get two equal parts. If we draw like this, we can get two equal parts. By drawing a line like this, we can get two equal parts. Again, by drawing a line like this, we can get two equal parts. So, a circle has many lines of symmetry. circle has many lines of symmetry which is called as uncountable. A circle has uncountable lines of symmetry. Okay. So, what are symmetrical figures? The figure, if the two parts of a figure made by a line fall exactly on one another, then this is called as symmetrical figure about that line, and this is a line of symmetry. Now, next part we will see what is not symmetrical figures. Not symmetrical figures are also called as non-symmetrical figures. If the two parts do not fall exactly on one another, then the figure is not symmetrical about that line. If the two parts of a figure do not fall exactly, then this is a not symmetrical figure about that line. See this example, this is a mango. If we draw a line like this, then the two parts cannot fall exactly on one another. Okay, these two parts are not equal, means this is a not symmetrical figure. Also, if we draw a line like this, then also it is a not symmetrical figure. Now, see this one. This is a quadrilateral. If we draw a line of symmetry like this, then it is a not symmetrical figure. So, this is about symmetrical figure and not symmetrical figure. In the next period, we will see next topic of the same lesson. Till then, happy learning.